It's funny, I find it really funny that in this day and age, jewellery has been one of the most emotional purchases that anybody can actually do, has still become one of the most traditional transactions you can find in the space, and something that is as transactional as coffee has been converted into an experience, as demonstrated by Starbucks. We've spent the last 3 years building the experience of purchasing jewellery, understanding that jewellery is an investment. It's emotional. It's normally a whim, and it's normally associated with something very special in people's lives. And to that extent, we understood that fine jewellery of a pre-designed selection of an existing inventory is not good enough anymore. And this is the reason why jewelers are so challenged to get people into their stores. They failed to create a long-lasting experience. There is another way of looking at this problem, which is everybody like to have something personalized, where they have been involved in the process of designing and producing it, and that actually has a bit more meaning than something you can buy on Amazon. We have spent the last 20 years in the jewelry industry. We know what jewels are facing in day-to-day challenges, maintaining and opening a store with inventory, security levels, and employees, and keeping their customers coming through the door. I know that this is the everyday challenge of this industry. And that's why I've been investing in developing the best personalization solution for the jewelry business.